Hi guys, thanks so much for clicking and welcome back to this channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to try on the wig of the week, and it's going to be this beautiful braided Afro braided wig. So guys, if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll make it for you. And also, if you love this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I've actually introduced this wig to you before. The only difference is the color. Actually, the reason why I decided to make this the wig of the week is because of the color. So when it comes to braided wigs, just make sure your cornrows are small and neat, or just flat, because when you wear a wig like this and it's braided, especially if your hair is thick, like my hair is so thick, just make sure it's so flat.
Wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Wrong.